Welcome to Down This Food, Quarantine 2020 edition. It's been a number of years since BTF has produced any content, but we're back and better than ever.
Yes, better than ever.
Today's challenge will be fridge spelunking. Hashtag fridge spelunking. In our fridge decluttering efforts, we've noticed many mystery items that are devoid of labels or expiration dates. So today we will put it to the test and see what is worth keeping. We'll probably find out our results tomorrow based on how sick we get, but we're going to film how these things taste and figure out what they are. So let's get started. Let's begin with this
No.
sauce.
No.
Would you like to give it a smell?
Okay.
What are your thoughts?
It's sour.
Smells sour?
It
Okay.
smells like
Oh,
fish sauce.
dig in. There's fish sauce and something. There's things
Like
floating around
garlic.
in it.
Oh,
Okay.
that's enough.
Um,
Yeah, too much.
No, go for it.
No.
Okay.
Wait,
Cheers.
Wait. You have a lot less than me.
Okay. 3, 2,
Cheers.
1.
Okay, it's not that bad.
It's not that bad.
It's
in
actually
fact.
kind of good.
It's kind of sweet, tangy.
Yeah.
It's enough of that. Okay, we'll be keeping this one.
I think it's like,
There's sugar in it?
yeah, it's pretty good.
Now this one, haven't opened this yet, so I figured we'd save it for the camera. Let's see. Unlabeled. It's like the
It's like-
tongue depressors.
Is that edible?
Should we try? And this one.
Ew.
Can't identify as writing Chinese.
I
It
think,
looks like dates.
you know, I don't think you're supposed to, I think you're supposed to
Boil
boil
them?
this.
Should we try boil it? Okay, we'll save that for another segment that we can add in at the end. We'll boil it and then try it. Alright, maybe we can eat these dates.
Smell it first. Tell us how it smells.
Smells earthy, woody.
Yeah. Smells like herbs. I think we're supposed to boil this too, Serena.
Okay, we'll boil this at the end.
Okay,
Postpone.
on to the next.
In this lovely mild salsa Tostitos jar, we have this ginger.
Smell it.
Not ginger.
Ugh. I think this is like shrimp.
It doesn't look like shrimp.
Mm.
Nope.
Go ahead. Good luck. That's like too much. Why are you making us eat this much? I actually think it's scallop.
Well, scallops are.
This is shredded scallop. It
Oh,
smells
maybe.
like it.
Okay.
Cheers.
Sour. It's really sour and salty. Don't spit out. Just drink more. Okay, so
It's
this will
so-
make you braver, so I think we should
It's
finish
so
it.
salty.
It's really salty.
It tastes like the ocean.
I couldn't even focus on whether or not this is seafood. It's just salty and
It just tastes like salt. I don't know what that is.
I don't.
I think
I
it's
don't know.
still good though.
The texture makes me think it's some kind of vegetable that's preserved.
It is so salty. take me a while.
You get rid of it like a shot.
Yeah.
Get rid of the pain faster.
It's like this. I'd rather eat this than durian.
Really?
Durian is so nasty.
I don't think I like this.
Oh my god. I just swallowed it.
Good, get rid of it.
Ugh. Okay.
Next one.
Can that one go last?
Okay, this one
I'm
the
not.
one I'm most excited for. This one,
I'm not.
Marisha is not.
I'm not
We'll
excited.
save the best for last.
It looks disgusting and I might throw up. I should have brought a bag here.
Bathroom's right there.
It's not close enough.
This one actually has a label. It's preserved cabbage. Hopefully it's accurate, so we have some idea of what it is. This looks similar to the last jar. A little different shape. Little smell.
That one smells like seafood.
It smells worse than the other one. A little more bitter. Okay. Bottoms up.
Why do you have to give me so much? Okay,
Yeah.
that's enough. That's enough. That's enough, sir.
Don't forget that piece.
Okay.
Okay. Cheers.
This one's edible.
I think this is worse than the last one.
This is good.
It's just as salty.
I like it.
I don't like this.
It's doable.
I would want to spit this out right now. Oh no, I can't do this.
Don't spit it out. I didn't think it was that bad.
I do not like that. Oh, I still taste it. Next one. This one has a label too. Preserved beans with ginger. Cardboard cylinder with a bag of preserved beans in it. I have a feeling this one might need to be soaked in water too. I'm not sure.
Oh.
That's how I prefer normal dried beans.
I think that needs to be soaked in water.
Should we try it?
I can try it.
Let's try one. One each. Oh, okay, two each.
I'm fine with one. These are all preservatives.
Yeah. Or maybe. Okay. Cheers.
The beans are preservatives, right?
Yeah, it says preserved on it.
Tastes like raisins.
Also very salty.
Everything is just salty.
Texture is not bad. I like it. I think it could be eaten not soaked, maybe. Maybe if we were more in touch with Chinese culture, we would know how to eat it.
I think I'm just swallowing everything.
Our sodium intake is probably past its limit today. Okay, this one, it's like a bunch of shredded stuff. Oh, it smells fishy.
That's scallop.
If this is shredded scallop, then this is also shredded scallop? Maybe this isn't shredded scallop. I think this is vegetable. Okay, let's try it. I think I know what it's gonna taste like.
Mm.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Tastes like scallop.
Because I like scallops.
That one was not nearly as salty as past two.
So easy. I could eat some more of that.
Next mysterious plastic bag.
I don't want the whole thing. I think we can share one.
Okay. Unlabeled flowery plastic bag.
I really...
Not too much of a scent.
I feel like it's a prune.
Some kind of fruit. I think my mom said it was tamarind. And hopefully it tastes like tamarind. I'm not sure if it's covered in salt or sugar. Oh, I think we'll save that for it.
Yeah.
I don't actually know what a tamarind plant looks like. These are probably the fruits of it. I think there might be a seed inside. Where's the rope? Oh, here it is. I'm just gonna cut it with my spoon. I think you should get one too, because there'll be something you have to spit the seed out from.
Ew. It's spicy. It's so spicy. Did you eat all of it? It's really spicy.
I had 2 seeds. Did yours have no seeds? Mine had your seed. It's spicy.
I didn't chew it yet because I thought it was spicy.
It is spicy. I like it.
You like it?
Yeah. Definitely tamarind.
It has sugar on it. So it's kind of sweet.
Yeah.
But
Sweet.
and then
Sour,
it gets sour
spicy.
and spicy. So I do like it too.
Yeah. First spicy, then sour. Or no, then sweet and sour.
Mine had 1 seed.
That one's pretty good. I think that's my favorite so far.
Yeah. I also like the scallop a lot.
Okay. Now for our last one, Marisha's favorite delicacy on today's menu.
Wish me luck, everyone. Rip.
I had opened this earlier and looked at it.
Actually, the tamarind's really good.
It has a strong scent to it. No.
Like,
What does it smell like? It smells...
it kind of smells like it has a little bit of... I don't know. It's not too scented, but it definitely has a smell.
It smells like something specific that I can't place. Maybe rice? It does look like black rice.
It looks like beans.
It looks like red bean or black rice to me.
Okay, let's just get it over with.
The smell is really interesting. I wish that we could transmit a smell to whoever will be viewing this video. But it is a unique scent of its own. Okay. You should eat the rest of what's on this, so you can have taste this in its purest form.
Okay. that much. Serena, I said not that much.
Okay. It is kind of mushy and it has liquid. And here we go. Why'd you stop?
You first.
At the same time. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, it's not that bad.
It's not that bad, but one of the first thoughts to cross my mind is like, it tastes a little bit like throw up.
Ew.
Do you think that too? Oh. There's some texture to it. These grains I think are rice and it has a little bit of bite to it.
Mm-hmm.
It's not bad. I think I could learn to like it if I had more of it.
I think
It is both sweet and sour. The sweetness was surprising to me.
yeah. I didn't think it was that bad. It just looks gross.
It was better than I was expecting.
It's a scary jar.
Alright. And that concludes this round of tasting. I think if we decide to boil these after, then we'll taste those too. But overall, this has been an interesting experiment.
Cheers.
Thanks for tuning in.
See you on the next one. Bye.
Okay, so
We're
after
back.
that commercial break, we now have a bowl of water boiled with this and with this. 2 separate bowls. We actually boiled the water first and then put the contents in these 2 bowls and poured the boiled water in. So technically they didn't boil in these. But we have an item each in our bowls and we'll try drinking the water separately. So let's try the woody thing first. The long tongue depressor item. It smells like medicine.
It does?
Marisha said that she's not afraid of these, not as much as the other items, but I would have to admit that I'm not looking forward to this. Okay, let's go.
Wait, okay. Cheers.
Oh no. Oh no.
Tastes like water.
It tastes like medicine.
It-
We're supposed to...
I don't know if
I don't think we're supposed to eat these.
Okay, just drink. Let's just drink it. Stop chewing.
I'm trying to figure out the flavor.
The flavor is like...
It tastes like plants.
What do plants taste like?
It tastes like wood. Wait, we'll drink the water of it first. You want to take a sip of it? Don't know how much flavor there will be because I put a fair bit of water. You taste it?
Yeah. It's not bad. It's something you add to, I think, to soup.
I don't know what kind of soup you're making. I wouldn't really want this in my soup.
No, I think it needs, like, other stuff. But I think it's a soup ingredient.
It's not bad, but it's not something I drink for taste. Probably for health benefits, if any.
It doesn't have much taste.
I don't like it.
Okay.
Now for this dried date looking. Actually, this probably isn't a date.
It's a seed.
It looks nutty inside.
It's a seed.
I think dates don't look like this.
It's a seed.
Are these this sweet?
No, I don't know. I was kidding. It's like can it taste like a sweet potato? Like in a nut form.
Not a fan of the texture of the skin.
I don't know if you're supposed to eat the skin.
How are you gonna go through the effort of skinning all of those with a knife?
I don't think we're supposed to eat it. I think it's just an herb.
It doesn't taste bad though, so I feel like it'd be okay to eat. Okay, you can drink it first.
Did you eat all of it? Tastes like water. Hot water.
Tastes like warm, mildly sweet water. Okay, these two weren't as bad as the very salty items. It's a wrap. Thanks for watching.
Bye.